wait is finally over. We are excited to present the first official unboxing video and a comprehensive first look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra. A user known as Tasty Orange on Platform X has released a series of brief unboxing videos showcasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra in 3 stunning colors. In these intriguing videos, we observe the unboxing process taking place in what appears to be a retail store setting. This suggests that the S24 Ultra has already made its way to stores in preparation for its official sale. An eager employee has taken the opportunity to give us an early glimpse of these impressive devices. TikTok user managed to acquire models in titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray, which were subsequently posted by Tasty Orange on Platform X. The packaging closely resembles that of its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Although the video primarily shows the startup screen, any new information about this eagerly awaited device is highly anticipated by tech enthusiasts. The videos offer a clear view of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's design, reaffirming the shift away from curved screens in favor of a flat display. Interestingly, the speaker grille design has changed, now featuring a single M cut, unlike the 6-hole design of the Galaxy S23 Ultra's bottom speaker. Another significant change noticed is the redesigned S Pen for the S24 Ultra, which now comes with a flat bottom. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will exclusively use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor globally. The device is expected to include an innovative 50-megapixel telephoto camera with a 5x optical zoom, potentially setting a new benchmark in smartphone photography. Before the Unpacked 2024 event, Samsung has introduced a reservation option for the Galaxy S24 series, offering a $50 discount. This is distinct from the standard pre-ordering process. The new flagship models will be available for pre-order starting January 17 during the Unpacked event. In specific markets like Korea, pre-ordering the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra will come with enticing bonuses like complimentary memory upgrades. In certain regions, such as Austria, the offer of a free memory upgrade to 1 TB for the Galaxy S24 Ultra may be limited. Each participating retailer might only have a capped number of units available for this promotion. In Korea, pre-order perks include a 1-year Samsung Care Plus warranty, Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and a special Pokemon or Mail No Buds case. The UK might see offers including a free Galaxy Watch 6 with pre-orders. As we inch closer to the launch, more details about the Galaxy S24 series are likely to emerge. Stay tuned for further updates, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest news and insights. Share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next update. Until next time, peace out. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 gigabytes of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 gigabytes of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5,000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.